Introducing the YINGERHUAN glass regular mouth mason jars, a versatile and stylish addition to your kitchen and home. These 16 ounces clear glass jars with silver metal lids are perfect for sealing and storing a variety of items, making them the ideal solution for all your food storage needs. The timeless clear finish of these canning jars adds an elegant and rustic touch to your cupboards, shelves, or refrigerator. Not only do they look great, but they also allow you to easily identify the contents without having to open each jar. These multi-purpose jars are a must-have for your kitchen, home, office, or studio. With these canning jars, you have endless possibilities for storage. Use them to store fruits, vegetables, sauces, syrups, condiments, treats, snacks, arts and crafts supplies, and more. Their versatility makes them a great addition to any product line. The matching regular mouth lids included with each jar help seal in freshness and flavor, ensuring that your dry foods and snacks stay fresh for longer. Store sugar, beans, peas, rice, oats, flour, pasta, cookies, crackers, candies, and more in these jars, knowing that they will be kept fresh and delicious. The regular mouth of these glass jars features a wide opening, making it easy to scoop out dry goods. The silver caps not only provide an elegant closure but also add a touch of sophistication to your products. The wide mouth allows for easy accessibility to the bottom of the jar, making cleaning a breeze with just a wet cloth. Each pack includes 4 crystal clear glass mason jars with silver lids, each holding 16 ounces. Made of high-quality glass and BPA-free, these jars are not only durable but also safe for use in your kitchen. They are dishwasher safe, making cleaning up a hassle-free task. Please note that these mason jars are designed for use in the US, and compatibility may vary internationally. If you are purchasing this product for use outside of the US, it is recommended to check compatibility and use an adapter or converter if needed. Don't miss out on these YINGERHUAN glass regular mouth mason jars. Get yours today and experience the convenience, versatility, and elegance they bring to your kitchen and home. Visit the link in the description to purchase your 4-pack now.